everybody, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do what is really kind of a quick video. Had a customer ask about like a winter scene with a cardinal. Well, this is my version. It's kind of whimsical in a sense, so hopefully this helps. I'm going to be using two brushes, an Amagic number 2 flat brush, a Westonia fine liner, engine red for the paint, which is of course FolkArt paint, and licorice. So I'm just doing two colors, which will be very simple as long as I can do it here. Alright, so I'm just getting my flat brush covered with paint. And if you're new to my channel, please know that I do simple videos which are good for beginner painters, and that's my intent, is to keep it simple so that anybody who wants to try can do it. Now I'm just putting off some little branches off to the sides here, my thicker branches, and then I'm going to do my liner. Oh, I'm sorry, I hit the camera there. But I'm going to do my liner brush just to do some other branches coming off of the bigger branch. And you can make them, you know, just kind of wavy or semi-straight, curly, however you want to do them, with little branches coming off and just intersecting. And I like to create these. And you can do more of the thicker branches if you really feel like you want to have more of those too. That's up to you. And I just like to just have fun with this. This actually can be very relaxing, honestly. If you want to just draw the branches and just, you know, keep adding to them. See how peaceful that can be? And I know this black is probably hard for you to see, so I do apologize for that. I probably should have done this in white, even though my inspiration was with black paint. And you don't have to take as much time as I'm doing to create all the branches. If you just want it to be something that has a few branches, that's fine too, or thicker, that's great also. And we'll just do a little bit of crossing over here. Just make it simple. So then I'm going to take the exact same liner brush. I'm not going to wash it out. I'm just going to stick it into my red, my engine red. And here comes the fun part, because not necessarily real great with birds, but I love them. Don't get me wrong. Okay, but a cardinal kind of has a it's kind of a funny head in a sense. And I'm just going to kind of round him out a little bit here. And again, he's not going to be real detailed like you might have wanted, but that's okay. This is my version and something that's easy for a beginner painter. And you can make him little fat guy. You can make him thinner. And then I like to actually just kind of give him a little bit of, almost like that little bird that was always with Snoopy, and I can't think of the name right off my hand. Kind of what it reminds me of. You don't have to add that part if you don't want. Alright, then I'm going to dip into my black. And I'm going to go right about in here to put some black on its face, because they definitely have some black. Might even tap in a little eyeball if I want right there. And then put some legs, which, you know, we'll just put some little, you could actually be on that one. Now it's a little hard to see. But you can sit there and you maybe even put some white in there if you want. And there he is. Cute little cardinal sitting in a tree. There it is. Very easy. And if you wanted to, you could add some like snow around it. Again, I was just trying to keep it simple for today. And there you have it. Very easy. If you have any questions, make sure you put those down below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. And before you leave, if you would take a moment to share this on your social network with your family and friends, I would greatly appreciate that. And until the next time, please stay safe and healthy, and you have a good one.